accept it. Right, children?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I think
yes,
people must
ma'am.
really enjoy.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
yes.
it will
Very
be great
nice,
pleasure.
really.
Ma'am, you can join us later also whenever you are having time, because you really you'll be enjoying it. Maybe after 12, 1 o'clock, you can definitely be with us.
No, no,
Just
no.
write.
I'll put it on the screen, though I'm working, but I'll keep on seeing you on the screen. Don't worry about
Yes.
that.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deepika ma'am, kindly download the attendance also, because we have some visiting teachers also here today. We would like to mark their attendance
And
also.
Deepika ma'am and Radhika ma'am are also watching with me. Okay?
Oh, wow,
They are
wow.
also sending their congratulations to both to all of you.
Yes,
Okay, bye.
yes. Thank you so much. Okay, Deepika ma'am, please download the attendance. Very good afternoon, children. It is your day. In fact, you have made this magic. It was just like, a dream, I must say, which was just a thought. It was a thought, can we do it? And we just took a plunge, and you actually made this day such a, I mean, this day come actually after 10 beautiful, 9 beautiful days, I must say. So, without delaying, today being reflection day, overall reflection, I know there's a good, Deepika ma'am, how many children are here? Deepika
87,
ma'am,
ma'am.
how many
87.
participants are here?
87, ma'am.
Oh, that's great. That's a huge, I think, response of children. We have come together, children. All the groups have come together here. And you know why? Because we are going to look at each other's work also, what we have done in the last 9 days, right? So, I'll be just taking you through PPT, which is your work, which is actually our dream, which we had thought, but you have made it happen, right? So, without wasting time, I will just try to take you through that. Uh, just hold on. Oh my God, I'm forgetting to. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, children, can you see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So, children, can you believe this was a basic dream that we had started with? एक फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों का एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग होना चाहिए और वो इको फ्रेंडली मास्क बनाने का, राइट? दिस वाज आवर थॉट. But can you believe what and all you have done in last 10 days is something, thousands of images that you have shared. Images are all purely your work. So I try to just do some little justice to the so much of beautiful work you all have done. See, this was the mind map. This is called mind map of our 9 days work, including today. So, what is the mind map? Like, in the center we usually write the name of the particular topic. And the first thing that we did was initial representation. And then we did so many things in that. Then we have done, there are 5 stages that we have covered. Then it was, second stage was exploring, research and exploring. Slowly you'll all start recollecting all these things. Then the third stage was plan of action. Then we worked on all this particular A, B, C, D, E, all these things we did. And then came the action. Then again, so many things you did. Now today we are in the feedback stage, right? So this is called basically a mind map, right? So I'm taking one by one. Initial representation. You all can jot down also, but mentally you all have already done all these things, right? So first was initial representation. You all remember how we started with that yoga and meditation exercise right in the beginning. Then we had done see and tell. You have to do some expressions with a mask, and then you were trying to read out their faces. Then you have done some coloring of masks, whichever was your favorite, and then we had taken a feedback of all that, right? So many things we have done, all these things, we had done the breathing exercise and other exercise, that kriya yoga we have done, in which you have studied about your breathing systems, etc. Then expression, in that you had learned about English and Hindi vocabulary, about how to say, so many Hindi and English words I have never heard before. Hindi translation especially has come up wonderfully over here. And then you have come up with various types of masks also over here, right? So this is what I have collected just few out of the so many things that you have shared. So this was day one. So you'll see here, see this was, you remember the yoga exercise that we have done, and this was expression activity. I've just put one of the clips of the hundreds of clips that you have shared. So so the written work was amazing, where you had tried to portray it in various ways, and then even in Hindi, hasya, then gussa, then prashna, then prashna chakit, then gussel. These kind of words which you have heard it normally, we don't use so much of beautiful Hindi, right? But in this session only, we have come to know that so many words can be used even parallel with English, right? So that so much of learning has taken place. Secondly, then you have started with the mask. Yes, children, you have to be lovely listeners now, because this is all your feedback. If I'll ask all of you, it will take maybe 4 hours to complete that. So I'm quickly taking a rush sequence of this, so that at the end, then we are going to see the magical work that you have done, right? So then we had worked with the mask, the paper, not even paper mask, that your dream mask, party mask, etc., whatever you had, your shared, right? So then you had shared your feedback. The best part was you were doing so much of written work in that, not only in Hindi, the same stuff you were writing in Hindi also. Can you imagine? Prati Pushti, that is for feedback, which I was also not knowing, sorry. But this is what we have learned, everybody has learned so much of Hindi as well, as here a pure Hindi, I must say. So this was the reflection of the day, first stage activity. Then came the research work. Now your mind will go back to that stage where we had done the questionnaire work. But before that, every time we used to have a starter activity. And then we had done survey on various levels, like, different types of questionnaires were there. You all went, got it filled. And then there was a visit to the medical store also that you did. So all this was covered in research and explore. You all did this. I had just written it once, but you all had made it happen. Can you believe this? You remember this was the starter activity. I think a few of you, of whoever belong to these teams, can make out. I remember Arnav ka yaad hai mujhe. We had asked you to pick up any object which is around you. So Arnav ne ek turtle ko uthaya tha, ek glass ka. फिर we were asking him, like we were supposed to tell, like, why Arnav has picked up a turtle. So then somebody said, ma'am, he loves animals, and he is a great environmentalist or something like that. And later Arnav said the true story behind it. He said, ma'am, I had a turtle which died, but this is the memory of that turtle. See, such beautiful connections. You had picked up a pen, you had picked up a bow, or anything that was lying around you, and we had discussed about all that. This was such an interesting starting activity. Later, you had also showed the various packs which were in your house, and then you had to actually read out the ingredients written behind it and all the information. So this is one sample of a talcum powder of one of your friend, and the child has written all this, ki usme kitna vajan ka hota hai, kitne कीमत का होता है, etc. So you all had done for Parle G biscuit se leke, so many things you had picked up, and you had done all these things. So I think this is all going on in your mind. This is all the beautiful things that you have done. So another starter activity was, you remember we had to look at our friend and we had to describe our friend. Ki how is this friend? So this is one small example of Adrisha, who has written the work for some of the friends whom they had discussed, about Zainab, about Aryan, about Preet. They all discussed some beautiful English words, some beautiful Hindi words. See, look at this, how beautiful you might have felt, especially Zainab. You might have really felt so good, like when your friends call you intelligent, attentive, kind-hearted. And look at the Hindi parallel words for it. Buddhiman, Sachet, Dayalu hai, etc. For, I'm sure many of you have got all these compliments, right? So this was another interesting activity. Later you had gone to the medical stores also to get the MRP of the masks and how to read the instructions behind it, right? So and then the questionnaires. The questionnaires was a fabulous job you all have done. Here I will not speak. I will just put in an audio of your friend.
This is Hardik Zara studying in class 5F. The survey done on the topic. To study the uses of mask on the basis of comfort, cost and usability was very interesting. There were different questions related to the topic that were asked. I carried out this survey among my family members. Since I stay in a nuclear family, I completed my questionnaire with my relatives on the phone. while 2 questionnaires were filled by my mother and father. Here, I came to know about the views of my family members. But surprisingly, my family members had almost the same views. They were also excited to see the questionnaires to fill it. I was also very excited. When I was asking the questions to them, this was something very different and interesting task that was given to us because we came to know about the different views of the people on the same topic. Thank you.
Isn't it such a nice feedback? I hope that was audible. Deepika ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
this
it is audible.
this is one of
Yes,
your
ma'am.
friend. I know
It was audible.
each one of you had something like this to share, but we cannot put in everything. So just summed up with one or two like that. So this beautiful questions, hundreds of questionnaires you got it filled from your home people, relatives, friends, etc. And that was such a beautiful experience. I hope you all had it and we could feel it. And then the third stage was plan of action. In that plan of action, you remember we had studied about origami, then we had studied about the area, perimeter, etc. Then we had discussed about the material required for making a paper mask and the pouch, etc. So here we had this was that particular day 6 it had come, though this stage 3, but this was day 6. And then you had done a lot of work on origami where art department teachers had helped us to work on the line of symmetry, etc. So here again, instead of me speaking, one of your friend is speaking on that particular day, right? So let's listen.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम यश भूरा है और मैं कक्षा 5th B से आज आपके सामने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग क्लासेस के विषय में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। आज हमारी टीचर्स ने बड़े ही अलग अंदाज से हमें परिमाप, क्षेत्रफल और परिधि के बारे में समझाया। उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे और अनेक उदाहरणों से हमें समरूपता की रेखा के विषय में बताया। फिर उन्होंने हमें कोई भी ऑरिगेमी पेपर से कोई भी नया चीज बनाने के लिए कहा। मैंने एक तितली बनाई और मेरे दोस्तों ने कई अनेक सुंदर चीजें बनाई। फिर उन्होंने हमें एक पेपर से मास्क बनाना सिखाया। वो बहुत ही आसान था। इस तरह हमने खेल में बहुत सी नई चीजें सीखी। धन्यवाद।
Was it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, huh? Yeah, and this was, can you imagine that flawless Hindi? That flawless Hindi. You know that
Very
light
nice.
symmetry.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What's his name, Kalyani ma'am?
Ma'am, his name is Yash Bura.
Yash, excellent. Maja aa gaya the way he presented his project. Very good.
Ma'am, there are more presentations at the end. Please, you'll be watching. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, children. So then this one, this is paper mask making. So you all had made the prototype using paper masks. These are masks with pouches made by you all. And can you see these calculations also you had done? That your particular paper mask, what was the measurement of that? What was the area and all that? This maths part was very important and interesting, because I'm sure you might have felt like how maths is very much integral part of even as silly as a mask making activity, right? So then we had also studied about how the paper is made, and then we had spoken on 3 R's of waste management, in which you had also discussed about why we should be saving the paper and what are the methods of saving it and why we should not be wasting paper, etc. So there were lots and lots of images we have received on paper saving also, but just a few samples I have put in, right? And then we had also, this is a huge collection of paper mask. Just paper mask was a huge turnout because I'm sure it was easy also. And then other than that, you had also worked on origami. Origami work was also amazing, before making the paper mask, you had actually worked on origami as well. Now, you had also done a lot of calculation. Many of you have shown a lot of calculations here, right? And then reflection is something I personally appreciate appreciate all those children who had taken out pen and pencil to write down reflection of each day. And many of you have done that. And you have done so beautifully that what, how, and why. For each stage you have done it. So this was really commendable. Then came the action stage. In action stage, what was shown? Like we had collected the material, what are the actual material for making the fabric. But before that, we had studied like how cotton is, how cotton cloth is obtained, then how silk is obtained, how synthetic fiber is made. All these videos also you had seen, right? And then we had also divided ourselves into designer, formal, and regular mask, and then you went into working ahead with that. So that was something very, very interesting about you all. And these were the starter activity on one day, you remember, where we had to just drape a cloth and then you had to present yourself. So you had worn a cotton cloth, or see the boys are draping it smartly, and girls, and then you were some were wearing silk, some were wearing cotton, some were wearing synthetic. So this is how you already know so much, so that is only with the help of this silly fun activity we had discovered that so much of knowledge you already have. And then we had studied about how silk is obtained, how cotton is obtained, how polyester, etc. Is obtained. So much of learning has taken place just by learning how to make mask, right? This was the video on synthetic fiber, that was the video on how the silk fiber is obtained, right? And then our art department has taught us how to actually make a cloth mask. And I must appreciate the children, because they have not only used this pattern, they have made their own patterns also, because there are different styles of cutting a fabric. So they have used other styles also of making mask, not only the frilled one, the other patterns also you have used in your actual fabric mask making, right? So these are few real cloth samples. These are just a drop in the tons of work that you have done. So these are just a few masks with pouches. Imagine when you go to a shop, normally you get only a mask, but these masks are along with pouch. And look at this child her head is down. You know why? Because it was right in the class when the teacher was explaining. This child has started actually started seeing the mask for her sister, I think, because she had already managed one with a brooch, and she was trying to make one for her sister as well. So that was the passion that you all had shown tremendously, right? So that was amazing, children. These are a few more samples, and we had discussed about how to go about branding. Because you have worked on such beautiful stuff, so we went ahead for branding, and that was the last stage where we had worked on how to go about making an advertisement video, which we are right now, immediately after my presentation, we are going to watch the lovely, amazing videos that you have made as a team. To work as a team in COVID times itself is a fantasy. But then, yes, you have broken all the shackles. You have just made everything possible by coming up together in such a short span. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. It is black.
Is it visible now? Maybe network, beta. Kuch network ka issue hoga. Deepika ma'am, is the screen visible?
It is visible to all, ma'am.
Yes.
I think nobody is facing problems.
Maybe some network issue. Just bear it. Yeah. So these were the lovely things that we had, and today we have landed on Reflection Day, where I'm going to just stop this right now, and then we are going to watch the lovely videos that your friends have created as a part of advertising their own masks, right? So over to Savita ma'am. Savita ma'am, we will start with, Acha children, one last thing. What you all have to do is sorry, I forgot to tell you. There is one last thing that you have to do is, everybody, I hope you have pen and paper with you. Just do one thing. You have to just write this. This is very simple, no heading, nothing. You have to just write section 5A, B, C, D, E, F. F and G is together. Here,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. G and H are together.
Sorry. G and H. Sorry. I have just forgot to put that. G and H is together. What you have to do is, we are going to announce. For A, there are 2 videos. For B, there is 1. C, D, E, one each, and F also 1. and G and H, they have come together and made one video, right? We are going to see all those videos, but what you have to do is for each team you have to name कि उनके mask का क्या brand उन्होंने रखा है, or is their work clear. You have to just write very good, good or fair. That's it. Everybody has to do this rating. And overall rating out of 5, you can give any marks. Normally teachers gives marks for you, right? So today you are going to give marks for your friend's work, right? Are you all ready for that? So what
Yes,
you have to write?
ma'am. Yes,
Team
ma'am. Yes,
name. What is the name of their brand of mask? And then how is it? Is it very good, good or fair? And then overall 5 में से उनको कितने marks देने, right? Okay, ma'am. Then I am switching this off and then over to Savita, ma'am. So hold down your hearts, children. It is going to be a beautiful treat to your eyes to see that how fantastic your friends can work. This is section A.
Hello everyone, I am Taskia Fatima from class 5th and today I am here to share something with you all. Something very important in these days. Yes, that is precautions. So, let us first talk about what are precautions. Precautions is something that we do in the present tense to avoid problems in future tense. Basically, precautions is what we do to protect ourselves in the happening time, means in the future tense. So, lockdown is over, but COVID-19 is not over yet. Keep taking precautions, and if you want to buy any mask, do try our website www.safemaskhub.com for any orders of the mask. You can even sell and buy different type of designer masks from our website. Thank you.
I'm Lakshita Kabra. I am here to share you about measures that we take in order to maintain our company's hygiene. Temperature of employees and visitors is checked daily. Social distancing is followed strictly. Employees are provided with their personal sanitizer, face mask and gloves. Working hours are divided. Our company is sanitized once in a week.
Reuse or sterilize the mask. Good morning everyone. I am Adrisha Panda of class 5th and today I am going to answer this question. Most face masks are disposable and are for one-time use only. Ideally, face masks should not be used once they are soiled or the inner lining gets moist. Rarely, they can be sterilized for limited reuse. If you want to reuse the mask, it should be kept dry so that it can last long. While taking out the mask, please do not put it under the chin so that germs there will not attach to the used mask on any surface as it will be a source of infection. It should be properly stored so that it can be reused.
For the style, comfort and protection. Safety Mask Hub. You wear it because you're worth it.
Buy a mask of our company SNH and get a discount on your first order. If you go to the website www.safemaskhub.com and on your first order we will give you a discount of 50%. Yes, this is a special deal. You should buy our company mask because this mask can enhance your personality and looks with a different look. So don't forget to go to the website and buy our mask. And there is also a scheme, buy two, get one free. I hope you liked our presentable manner and have a nice day.
Amazing. Amazing it was. Tasmia, Adrisha, Zainab, and Lakshita brilliantly presented. Yes, at some points we could not hear the dialogue so clearly, but that's absolutely okay. This is your first presentation. I'm sure everybody is giving some marks. I think even teachers, we all have to give some rating for the children, right? And
Show
more
that
important,
table. How did you make that? I want to see again.
no, beta, we will see all, and then your class group will be sharing these videos, so you can see them later. But because we'll be running short of time, right? There are more interesting, amazing videos one after another. So that was that too, fifth A one video. Another video is again up to come, right? So, ma'am, can we have next one?
Morning everyone. My name is Swaran Gupta from class 5A. Today I am going to introduce our mask company. Its name is Unique Mask. The name itself shows uniqueness. Its tagline is Your uniqueness is your magic. Unique is a mask manufacturing company founded in April 2021 to supply masks to the masses at very economical rates. We believe that mask is used for precaution, so it should be very good in quality. Mask is very comfortable and trendy, so it is used by all people of all ages. Thank you. Key features of our mask are two layer protection mask.
Ma'am, it has been paused. Yes, ma'am, it is paused. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is paused. Okay,
Yes,
children.
yes,
Ma'am, it is
just hold
paused.
on.
Just wait
Savita
for
ma'am,
a
it is
while.
paused.
Don't speak in
Children,
between, please.
just have patience.
Have patience, beta.
Yes, I'm just.
Savita ma'am, any issue?
And comfortable. It protects your face when you walk on your face. Ear loops made of good quality elastic, soft and ease of wearing. Highly breathable because of good quality material. These masks are reusable and washable up to 30 washes. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Preeta Alapani and I'm here to spray mask. Your mask helps to protect those around you. Mask is simple barrier to respiratory droplets from reaching us. Studies show that masks reduce droplets when worn over the nose and mouth. You should wear a mask even if you do not feel sick. Thank you.
Wear the mask by holding the ear lobes. Press the nose clip to fit properly. Remove the mask by the ear lobes and sanitize your hands. You can wash the mask and reuse it. Protect yourself, protect your loved ones, and protect the world. Thank you.
Children, that was again another brilliant presentation, and here they have kept the name of the MASQ. You know why? It's mask. I mean, because it's a creative venture. So they have thought of keeping the name of mask as not MASK but MASQ. Right. So kindly note that it's a creative brand. You know, you can always have your own creativity when you are branding it, right? So that was it. Can we have next, ma'am? Another rocking performance. Children, hold on your heart.
Ma'am,
मैं हूँ अंडा न्यू स्वामी ये है मेरा डिश टीवी और हम लोग बीटीएस मास्क पहन रहे हैं पूछ रहा है भारत ये बीटीएस मास्क पहनने की नौबत क्यों आई पूछ रहा है भारत कि कोरोना क्यों आया है कहाँ से आया है और किस लिए आया है हेलो, मुझे पहचानो, चाइना से आया कोरोना, 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 मैं हूँ कोरोना। मैं चली शॉपिंग की गई, मुझे रोके ना कोई। मैं चली ना डरो ना, क्योंकि मैं को नहीं दूंगा कोरोना। डीएस मास्टर रहा सकती है वहाँ। ये डीएस मास्क मेरा क्या बिगाड़ेगा? हाँ बोलो, and you will not. COVID-19 spread mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose of people who are around you, or they may breathe these droplets in. DPS mask is durable, protective, multi-layered safety mask. When you need to choose a mask, DPS mask is the best choice. नहीं जाना, सड़के मैनू घर, मैनू स्कूल नहीं जाना। तथास्तु। अनलॉक लॉकडाउन, मास्क और दूरियां, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, अब है मजबूरियां। लो, तुम्हारी वीज पूरी हुई। मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नहीं चाहिए, मैं अपने फ्रेंड से कैसे मिलूंगी? Yes, I have also heard that these are made up of 3 layers of fabric. Inner layer is of non-absorbent material such as cotton. Middle layer is of non-woolen and non-absorbent material such as polypropylene. And outer layer is of non-absorbent material such as polyester and polyester blend. Multiple checks of vibration, breathability and perfect fit with different sizes makes a DPS mask a perfect choice. It is held in comfortably with little adjustments using elastic bands and ties. It is available in some shapes such as double and flat fold. Each one helps over closely on your nose, cheeks and chin. So whenever you want a mask, choose DPS mask. DPS mask, पहनो ना, कोरोना से डरो ना। DPS mask पहनो ना, कोरोना से ना डरो ना। क्योंकि 2 गज की दूरी, 2 गज दूरी DPS mask जरूरी। DPS mask जरूरी है।
Brilliant, children, brilliant. And look at the brand's name, DPS mask, right? And it is an abbreviation of their word that they have coined. I mean, it is fantastic and very well thought and planned, and it's a huge teamwork. I think they were working till late night, and finally they have come up with this fantastic work. Very good. The team was Yash Bura, again the team leader, Masira, Suhani, Gurleen, Jay, then Shaina and Ariba. These were the people who had come up together to make that wonderful ad. I hope all others here are enjoying the beauty with which every piece of advertisement is so very unique, right? And this is made by children without teachers' help. Trust me, we hardly had anything to help except that computer teachers had just guided them how to go about it. Rest is they have done by themselves. So moving ahead.
So here we, the humanity manufacturers, present the mask. Our product will give you quality, protection and comfort. It's made up of cotton. Thank you. Our product is easy to get and affordable for everyone.
Our mask cost is 50 rupees, and this is the best mask I recommend you.
Our product is the creation for protection.
Ma'am, did it get stuck up?
No, ma'am. It was that much only.
Okay. Okay, that was also another good one. I just missed the last part, I believe. That was Humanity Manufacturers. Can you imagine the name? Humanity Manufacturers. Stunning name. Now, the team leader was Deepak Meena, and the other children in the team were Sudarshan, Sonakshi, Saksham, and Rudraneel. Very good work, children. Though it was little short, but it was very good. Next, 5D.
And don't sneeze without wearing a mask and wear a mask in public places. And you
Wear our safety and health protection mask. It is very comfortable.
From folk school and away from other public places, if you must go out, avoid kind of public representation and of taxes. Get rest and stay hydrated.
If you had a medical appointment, call the healthcare provider ahead of time. Tell them you have or may have mental with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or clean your hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Keep 2 yards distance in public places.
Not just telling stories, we are helping change lives. And if you buy our mask, you are helping change lives as well. So go to the nearest medical store and buy one packet of mask for 15% off. Buy 2 packets, get 1 free.
Yes. Again, that was such a beautiful ad. The team leader was Jaspreet Kaur. Then other members were Vandana, then Sanj, Tanvi, then Shashwat, and Afshin. Wonderful children, great presentation, very well, compiled the content. Can we move ahead, ma'am? 5E.
Morning, teachers and my dear friends. I'm Ishani Ghosh, the team leader of 5th E, and my team members are Tisha, Bhavik, Yatin, and Dhanishta.
Hey everyone, this is Tisha Audi of class 50 and today I'm going to teach you how to make a mask. Step 1. Take as per your size and measure it. Step 2. Cut the measured cloth. Step 3. Make 2 pleats of the measured cloth. Need the fabric glue. Take a cute lace to make the strands of the mask. 5. Stick the laces with the fabric glue at the ends of the mask. The mask is ready. Wearing mask every day keeps corona away.
I'm Bhavikanuma from class 50. Today's my topic is how to wear mask properly. First, there are 3 types of masks. First, N95 mask. Second, surgical mask. And third, simple mask. Now I will tell you how to wear the mask properly. This is how we have to wear the mask properly. It should cover our nose and mouth, and it should be till our chin or cheeks. How we can wear the mask properly.
I'm Yatin from 50. As Bhavik said, there are 3 types of masks, from which most affordable or comfortable is simple or cotton cloth mask.
Good afternoon, Nisha. As you all can see, this mask is comfortable and easy to wear. It is reusable and washable. It's a cloth mask. Its price is 30 rupees only. Thank you.
Wonderful. I think 30 rupees is very affordable. I think there will be a great rush at this store particularly. Very good, children. Very nice, nicely presented. As Ishani already declared, the team members, Tisha, Bhavik, Yatin and Dhanishta have come together to make this lovely one. Now can we move ahead to 5F?
What is this happening? What is this online class? Why is it happening?
This all is happening because of the deadly virus named COVID-19.
Yes, Dilisha, you are correct.
We need to follow some norms to stop spreading this virus.
Norms? What norms?
We must maintain social distancing to avoid COVID-19.
We should wear a mask.
We should sanitize our hands often.
Sit or stand near anyone outside our home.
We should quarantine ourselves whenever we feel fever, cough, or cold.
We must wash our hands at least for 20 seconds.
We should go out of our house only if it is emergency.
Okay, I will keep this in mind. But as it is summer, it's so hot. How can anyone wear a mask for long?
Wait, I have a solution for it.
What?
The mask I have bought is breathable.
It is comfortable too.
And its brand is awesome.
What is its brand name?
Its name is Cover Up and it just costs 70 rupees.
Should be antibacterial. 3-layered, otherwise it won't protect us.
It should be reusable.
So I think now your all doubts are cleared.
Yes, you have explained it so well. Thank you very much. So, mask one, Corona one.
In our experiential learning sessions, we have learned to make various types of masks: regular mask, former mask and designer mask. Have a look at masks along with pouches made by us.
These are actually the masks made by the children, the real masks. Excellent work, children. Actually, you all have been working like, professionals, putting the cast at the end. That is really fantastic to see all this. And this team was led by Nakati, and the other team members with Dilisha, Gunika, Harsh, Hardik, and Nivedita. It was an excellent, I must say, it was a drama. In fact, they have performed through this. I wish we were all together in front of each other and we could hear the clap for each wonderful show that you are displaying now. Now we have got another scintillating performance, the last one, that is by G and H. Section G and H has come together to make this fantastic work. And I was very closely watching it. That's why I know how much of hard work has gone in making each piece. Maybe we are not aware of all the teams, but yes, without working so rigorously, this all would not have happened. So here the last advertisement by children of G and H.
Art safety is road safety. Wear mask regularly while going out. safety, wear mask करें.
Mask on, life on. Mask करें. Wash your hands.
It helps during these difficult times. Listen.
And wear your mask regularly.
So I'm sure everybody was as hypnotized like me by this lovely one. The team leader here was Shreyansh Unni. Then other team members with Tia.
Ma'am, I'm so
Tia.
sorry to interrupt you. The team leader is Tia.
Acha, team leader is Tia. Okay, I'm sorry. It is written. Sorry, extremely. Team leader is Tia Chakole. Then other team members are Hyansh, Zaheen, Kumkum, Adhiranshu, then Saksham, Zara, and Karan. So that was such a fantastic performance, children. And I think that we come to the end of the lovely videos that you have made, advertisement videos. I think everyone here is like, deep into the mask story. Now, more than what we have actually ever known about masks and COVID, I think the children have made such amazing presentations that they can make something big out of it, right? So that was it all. Ma'am, there is some message I would like to give them at the end. If teachers have any comments, please feel free to give your comments. Yeah. Before this, children, can you all see the screen?
Yes,
ma'am. Deepika ma'am, principal ma'am is here. Deepika ma'am. Am I audible, children?
Yeah, ma'am, she's here, but I think
she's there.
Kalani ma'am, are you calling me?
Yes, ma'am. I think we just had finished that, so I wanted you to just give a word of your wisdom.
Yes,
to them.
But you know what, children, it is really amazing the way you work with sincerity, creativity. You've added life, to the whole thing. It was so beautifully put up. I'm sorry, on and off, I had to go for the board practicals. Abhibi, I was just coming in. It's really done very well, and the teachers, you really guided them well. And Kalyani ma'am, and really kudos to you and your team. And children, lovely. Maza aa gaya. Amazing work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. On behalf of
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, children and teachers. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks, ma'am.
Children, just hold on.
May I leave?
Ma'am, if you are busy, then you may. But thank you so much for being.
I'll just put on this and.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, children, there is some message for you all that you all can read it from your hearts, or else I will love to read it for you. It is from all the teachers, from ma'am, from every one of us. It was really amazing to see your enthusiasm and participation spirit throughout, not for just the videos, but whoever has not even been a part of the video, that is absolutely okay. But your presence each day itself was like a big thing, So we want your feedbacks, which you are going to give it to your teachers, class teachers. You can just write a few words about your full experience, maybe just in few lines. Ma'am, we loved it, we want it again, or whatever. So. Then there is a Google form. We are going to put it in the class groups for your parents. Now, I'm sure this particular event was not possible without the guidance of your parents, right? So somewhere or other, they have been a very important part of you, even maybe while cutting the cloth, or maybe while sewing it, or maybe while making the video, or some part of it, they were a part of it. So we want their feedback also. So please ask your parents to kindly fill the feedback forms and submit it. And let's meet again for such interesting project in future. But now your revisions are starting from tomorrow and your exams are also ahead. Now because your minds are all sharpened, it's like, when you do something interesting, your mind becomes fresh. Now you can jump back into your studies and you can study well. Okay, all the best to all of you from all of us. Right, children?
And this was the last day.
Yes, darling, this is the last day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will some children like to speak something? If you want to say something, you can raise your hands and we would like allow 2-3 children to speak. Not more, but just the team leaders of all those, or else anybody else also.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell a. It's not
Yeah,
written by, but it's for you all teachers.
Please.
Yes, ma'am. To all the teachers, from hand holding to screen sharing, from chalk to chat, from background to whiteboard, from real to virtual. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. From offline to online, from keep quiet to speak up, from no mobile to turn on your mobile, from conventional to technical. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. From notebook to screenshot, from teacher's assessment to self-assessment, from classroom to Zoom, from school to home. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. Thank you.
Riyansh, that was really very touching and we all could connect with it. And thank you so much, beta, from all of us. And but Riyansh, video was off at that time. Ma'am, can we spotlight Riyansh because maybe others were not aware who was speaking? Riyansh, can you turn on your video?
Ma'am, Riyansh was spotlighted.
Was he visible? Okay, then I was the only one not seeing it. Oh, then I'm sorry. Huh? Okay.
No, ma'am. He wasn't visible at that time. Now he's visible.
Yeah. Okay, this was Riyansh, and he also worked very closely with all the. I remember a few of you, not just Riyansh. There are certain children in each group who have been really prominently playing a mega role in it. So it is always like that. This has got nothing to do with how good you are doing in your actual exams and with your marks or anything. This is totally your passion. If you are interested, you can jump into anything. It is not necessary that you have to be good in one writing or in doing something else. There are so many things that you can be good at. Everyone is good at something or other. So this kind of activities gives an option for you to explore yourself, and which you have very beautifully done. To all the children, this is to each and every child who participated on all the days and who has enjoyed it and who has worked along with us. So congratulations to all of you for making this such a beautiful event, and rating everyone to keep in their own hearts. Yes, beta bolo. Someone wants to speak?
Ma'am, you are saying this so much. Thank you, ma'am. But we have learned from you only.
Yeah, we are learning from each other.
Something is like आप पे ऐसी चीज है कि हमको ऐसा कर देती है, पूरा मैजिक करके हमको पूरा ठीक कर देती
है ना? बिल्कुल मैजिक होता है ना सब. आप लोगों को देख के हमें भी मैजिक सा ही लगा, because you people are real little miracles for us, So we are learning from each other. Even looking at your Josh, actually we were also like, नहीं अब और कुछ करना पड़ेगा बच्चों के साथ. It was like give and take. So it was a mutual story. So children, stay happy. And now all the children who have participated here, I'm sure they're going to do little better in their academics also, because you have tasted something beautiful about yourself. You have touched, the teamwork. The last part of it, I really appreciate more than any other part, because here coming up together as a team, and then, sometimes being a leader is one big thing, no doubt. But to be a member of the team is a bigger thing, Otherwise, everybody wants to become a leader. But to actually take instructions from a leader is also a very beautiful quality. So you all have come together to show these beautiful traits of future. You know, in future, all these things are going to really help you in your real life, right? So all the very best to all of you. Susanna ma'am, would you like to say something to the children?
Yes, ma'am.
I want all the
Surely.
teachers, one or two teachers to say certain things. Yeah.
Crazy, amazing, awesome, fabulous, beautiful, super. There are so many adjectives. I'll really go on and on. It was amazing. It was, I mean, children of class 5 doing all that. It's unbelievable, but they have done it. Children, you all have done it. Even if you ask me, I won't be able to do that much, really. And first of all, I would like to thank Kalyani ma'am, because ma'am, we also as teachers, we were following your guidelines, and then we could, give it to our children. Thank you so much for your hard work. And children, I'm sure all of you will agree that this 1 hour which we used to spend together after, till 12 o'clock having our classes, and this 1 hour, how it flew away, you all know. We, it used to sometimes 12:35, no, 1:35, 1:40, and then we used to say, oh, time is up, we have to wind up. It was amazing. It was amazing. We all enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Susanna ma'am. I'm sure, thank you so very much. It is actually every teacher has put in so much of effort, and all the teams have worked in parallel, you know. That was the beauty of it. There was nothing less or more going on anywhere. Every team was going parallelly, only that today we have come together. Otherwise, it was all the execution part the teachers have done so very beautifully. Yeah, any other teacher would like to say something here?
Ma'am, we have guests also. A few guests have visited today.
Yes,
so can we ask them to, say a few words?
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell who are the guests here? Exactly, I'm not able to track.
We have many teachers over here, like Sarika ma'am is present here, Samiksha ma'am, Seema ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, Meena ma'am, Sumitra ma'am.
Yeah, Seema ma'am or Nidhi ma'am, will you please grace us with your some words if you were here from the beginning?
Good afternoon, Kalyani ma'am. Actually, it was such an amazing experience. We all have been doing trainings on all these experiential learning since months. Yeah, and this was actually totally a practical experience, how we can implement experiential learning. And apart from that, I really enjoyed the confidence of the children and the way they have made the videos. They have blended technology, art, language, everything was so neatly presented. Hats off to entire team. I'm seriously, I'm falling short of words for appreciation.
Thank you, Nidhi ma'am. Thank you, Didi. That was Nidhi Deshpande ma'am, and that was so nice because she is she's watching this event for the first time here today, because they have come as guests today. Thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am. Our children and we all are highly motivated by your words. Anybody else here? Any other guests? Deepika ma'am, that was a good idea. Our guests will be the correct people to give judgment.
If Chitra ma'am is willing to speak, she is also here. So if she would like to, yes, she is also
Chitra
here.
Ma'am, you are welcome. Please highlight her, ma'am, please.
Yeah, she is on Spotlight. She can turn on her video.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. I'm just mesmerized. Like, what should I say? I can't believe that class 5th standard children, they are doing such a nice project. Even the advertisement videos are so flawless. Amazing, ma'am. The whole team has worked really. We have done experiential learning project and workshops, and we made some project on that also. But this is something different. From here, I have also learned that how we could do it in higher classes. Really, ma'am, very good, very good.
Thank you, Chitra ma'am. And dear children, you know, Chitra ma'am, you please look at her carefully. She is teaching physics to higher classes. So when you will be growing up, you will be facing Chitra ma'am. And she's already proud of you all. So I'm sure she will be receiving you wholeheartedly over there when you go to higher classes. Thank you, Chitra ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the link for witness this kind of program. Really, really. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ma'am is also here. Sumitra ma'am.
Sumitra ma'am, yeah, Sumitra ma'am is a buddy. She is taking the same event for 7th class there. Sumitra ma'am, can you tell our children are doing okay or not? Sumitra ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Ma'am, please
children.
highlight her.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, children. It was very wonderful watching you. I was so. Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
It was wonderful watching you, children. I was so happy to see those advertisements. It's, like even I cannot make such videos. It was so. I felt so happy. Means we are taking this same project even in 7th, and you had done excellent job being in grade 5. Very good, children. I'm so happy, and keep it up. Keep doing like this. These all experiences are going to help you out in future.
Thank you so much,
nice.
Sumitra. Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you, team. Ma'am, your team has done a great job.
Yes, ma'am. It's a
They have
teamwork.
guided yeah.
Absolutely correct. It's a teamwork. Without all the teachers putting in, Deepika ma'am would every morning create the backdrop effect for us, and then we are all working sometime part of the day together. And thank you so much, children. Love you all. And let's stay together like this for more important, interesting events in future, right? Yes, children, can you all turn on your cameras and
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your cameras?
Yes,
ma'am.
And we are so proud of you. We are so proud of you. My cheeks are actually, paining just by the smile I have on my face looking at your work. We love you so much. You made us proud. Really.
Thank you all
Wonderful
of you.
work.
So much. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, children, great work
Bye,
done
ma'am.
by
Thank
you.
Thank you,
Bye,
teachers.
ma'am.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye, children. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you,
Deepika
ma'am.
ma'am, you say anything? Yes.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice